now I'm gonna give you to see what is the monk fruit. I'm sure you heard of it before because it's very popular now for being a substitute for sugar. So this is the actual monk fruit, but in China it's really not a fruit, it's a plant, okay? But anyway, it's dried, and how they use it here in China is that they put it in the water, they make a crack on it. It's kind of hard right now, so they make a crack on it and they put it in water, so they make some tea with it. They also use it a lot for Chinese medicine. This is especially comes original from here, from Guilin, from Yongfu Xian, right? It's a place here in Guilin, and this is where it's traditionally comes from. And it's sweet, and you can also make a lemonade with it if you want. 是圆的，圆的，好吗？还有这个颜色是棕色。
啊，棕色。
对，这个可以做茶。
茶。
也对，中药，也会说中药，
是
甜的。
板栗吗？
红枣。No， 还要再试一下。
圆的，棕色的可以做的。
对，
桂圆应该不是棕色的吧？
啊，
桂圆。
No， 还有大一点，给你个鸡蛋还有大一点，比鸡蛋大一点。
什么那个
罗汉果。
对，送你们这个礼物。你知道今天是圣诞节吗？
知道。
OK， 我要跟你玩一个游戏。
是罗汉果吗？
对呀，圆的，橙色，甜的，
甜的，
对，喝茶还是中药？
中药，
会是什么？
是特产类的吗？
哎，对，是的。
罗汉果呀！
耶，罗汉果，哇，给他这个礼物。This is a fruit that we only have on the winter. It's on the high mountains, and it's called persimmon. Persimmon it looks like a tomato, but it's a fruit that you dry it, and then it's really sweet. They make it like a cake. It looks like a pumpkin, some kind of pumpkin, and it tastes like. This is delicious actually. This one I will eat because it's very sweet. It's very good. It's delicious, really good. It's also very particular to the place. 你好，你好，你要跟我玩一个游戏吗？水果搓的 ，OK， 是桂林特色、平乐特色的，然后是圆圆扁扁的。
真的想不起来了。
Is a 我给你看一下，你给我讲。
看一下。哦，柿饼。
耶，柿饼。She didn't guess, so sorry. No present. 圆圆的，冬天的，就有冬天的，夏天没有了。柿饼。耶。
花糕吗
？No， 再试一下。
柿饼吗？
对，柿饼的。Okay, thank you. Okay, so we come to the end, guys. Thank you for coming with us today. Hope you enjoyed all the presents, and I hope you learn a lot about the things, specialties from Guilin. And I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to give us your thumbs up, your like, and follow us. And I see you next time.